Here's a way to mess with your patterns of thinking when you're trying to decide something. People often come to me with a question about a decision they're trying to make. Something like, should I go for the promotion? Should I change jobs? Should I change my career? Should I apologize to person A? Should I forgive person B? In addition to suggesting that they should stop shitting all over themselves, I ask them 4 questions. The 4th question is often the one that causes the brain to melt. Psychologists would call this a pattern interrupt, and it's deliberate. Let's skip through each of the questions quickly so you can try them out for yourself. The first question: what would happen if you did blank? So whatever the decision is you're trying to make, that's the blank. So if it's change career, what would happen if you changed your career? Write your answers down. There may be more than one answer. The second question: what would happen if you didn't? Again, fill in the blank by writing the answers down to the question. Now comes the mess with your thinking patterns bit. The third question is, what wouldn't happen if you did? Let's just do that again. What wouldn't happen if you did blank? It's a little tricky, I know, but once you've got that, write the answers down to that one. And finally, here's the brain melt question. What wouldn't happen if you didn't blank? So what wouldn't happen if you didn't change your career? I know, the double negative can be quite deceptive, but that's deliberate. If your brain is twisting and turning, good. Simply let go of the need to answer for a moment by taking 3 slow, deep belly breaths to relax. It's okay, no one's watching. Most people will eventually wrap their head around that question and be able to come up with a list of answers. Now, in amongst all of those answers will be an answer that sits with you best and helps you become unstuck. So that's it. Cartesian questions. Have a go. Use them for yourself. Use them with people you work with. If you're a coach, use them with your coaching clients. If you're a teacher, use them with your students. And even use them with your family. You'll be surprised at the results you get. Let me know how you get on. That's it for now. Bye.